Okay, I will start here. The way that Kevin Costner, this is the place where he started also, but before going there, in front of that stadium, that he went there. So, dito tayo sa mga kababayan ko dito. Ito yung pag nanood kayo ng Field of Dreams, ito kasi naglalakad siya dito at naririnig niya yung, oh, ano ba yun? May narinig ako na ano. Oh, this is the field, guys. Oh my God. This is where Kevin Costner. Okay. Until going there at the back, at the other side. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Kuha ano na Ate Marna?
Ayaw.
Free na siya.
No.
Kinatumba man.
So this is it. Look at that. Look at the corn. So we'll be doing and stick where everybody are very interested here in Field of Dreams. Why do they call it Field of Dreams?
Ang huwag yung isa ka mais diri, promise.
It's in heaven. Because most of the people that are playing, especially those souls that are playing. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Experience the corn at its peak. Wow. Oh. Wow, Day. Ano sa mga nila harvest on, Day?
Nakana, jud Ate Marna o kabalo. Within 2 months. That's what Bob says.
Oh my God. Look at this corn. They're all very, 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 very healthy. No?
That's what Kuya says.
Tingnan nyo yung mga mais dito where Kevin Costner, ito yung lugar na yung ginagawa yung movie. You try to go to YouTube or Netflix, yung movie na Field of Dreams. So this is the place where Kevin Costner filmed the movie. So, nakita ko lang to. Look at how they grow the corn. Napaka healthy. What is that? Oh, tingnan niya. Walang insekto. It's a little bit, maybe ilang hektarya to, ilang square meters or ilang hektarya miles. From here. From there, going here. Diba?
Muna siya, $20,000 ang yang pila to ka $1,000 yang na-loss.
Ano?
Kanilang siya na-field.
Yes, because actually, the father doesn't want to have that stadium.
No,
He
yeah.
wanted to, I don't know, it's just like that. But when the stadium was being made, so, and that's the place where he goes. That's the place. And the other one is not the place that he goes through inside. So yeah. Subukan natin puntahan yung lugar na kung saan pumapasok siya. Pag ano nila, paggawa ng movie. And they take the movie. Oh my goodness, guys. What a big thing, eh? Wow. It's already old. Dili naman yung young corn, guys. This is old corn. And this will be for, alam mo ba kung paano to? Ano to? Sa Thanksgiving. Dahil sa Thanksgiving, this is very expensive.
They are preparing for Thanksgiving.
Yes. Dahil tayo, pinahinay ta kasi mayroon din nakapunta sa inyo. Oh my God. And this is it. Oh. Look at this one. Wow. Look at the corn there. Huh?
Sige, touch the corn, Ate Marn.
Very healthy. Oh. And
Very good.
healthy. Wow. So healthy. So, ito, I will just go right here. This is where, right here. Where, kung saan si,
Sulod tati, sulod tati. Sulod tati.
Kaya, dito siya pumapasok. Here. And that's where, but anyway, we'll stay here. We'll pass by here. Ito yung dinaanan niya. Pero kaso, that time, when he came here, this corn was a little bit, not like this, very, very tall. So this is where the movie film. And then,
Ate Mar, sibog dito kay nindot kayo ang view niya. Mo form siya og kuan.
yeah, this is where Kevin Costner filmed the movie. Dito
Explain rin ako mo niya.
Dito siya, naririnig niya yung may boses na nagsasalita. Yan, it's a spirit or whatever. Patay yung nagsasabi sa kanya. So, ayan.
Move pa ta, move pa ta.
What's that? So, that's it. Kaya, ako'y pinuntahan ko to from Chicago to Iowa. Because I really wanted to vlog this place. So everybody from,
Anywhere of the world.
if you try to visit Iowa, you should come here at the Field of Dreams. This place looks so nice. So you can experience how that movie was being made, and you can see how beautiful is the place. So that's it.
Wait, Ate Mar. Pause there a little bit.
I just want to share with you.
That one, nice pose.
Very, 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 very healthy. Look at that. Very amazing. Amazing. Okay. So.